Right, so this one is great for a barbecue situation or a family style meal. It can be made ahead of time and you can make it in the morning and leave it just wrapped up or put it in the fridge. When you're ready, throw it in the oven, 12-13 minutes. It's going to be hot and juicy. For my recipe today, I'll be using a nice baguette, some unsalted butter. I'm using a French sweet butter. I can't really pronounce the name. Some chili flakes. Last time I was in Capri, I bought a packet. It's lasted us about a year now. A bulb of garlic. Check the firmness, check the ripeness and quality, and a bunch of organic flat leaf parsley. So let's run the intro and let's get going on this recipe. I should have you out the door and finished in about 2 minutes. Right, take that lovely butter that you've softened, either by leaving it out overnight or giving it pulses in the microwave at 10 seconds each time. Give the garlic a bash so they pop out of the skins easier, and then start slicing it down on your chopping board. I'm now going to add a little bit of salt to act as an abrasive with the heel of the knife to make a nice puree. So just chop it down a little bit further with the salt and then begin to mince the garlic like you can see here. This is the best way to mince garlic and it looks dead professional. Wash your flat leaf parsley quite well and dry it off with a tea towel, and then slice it or chop it, I would say, reasonably fine. We don't need massive bits, but we don't need super small pieces, so just like you can see there, no problem at all. Can I just say, I've just chopped this parsley. It's so delicious. Get in there with a spoon and loosen up the butter even more by beating it, and then add the parsley, add the chili flakes, add your minced garlic, add some salt and pepper, and give it a good bash. Get it all mixed in. Take about a minute or two. We're just mid-recipe, but that's it. That stage there, that's the garlic butter. It's delicious, it's pungent, it's not going to be too garlicky, zesty with parsley, a little bit of the kick of chili and the salt and pepper. Let's get back to it. Take your bread and begin slicing 1 portion pieces. However, stop just at the bottom so it remains intact. I've spoken to my wife about this, and the best way we could describe it is a hot dog bun, not a sandwich. Start filling these slices with soft garlic butter and then place it on a large piece of tin foil. Wrap it up. I like to leave the crease at the front so it's easily accessible, and get it ready for the oven. 12 minutes in the oven should be good, maybe 14. Pull it out and serve. So you can put that in the middle of the table. Everyone can help themselves. And look, because we've cut it like that, you can just tear yourself a piece off. We'll have a little taste test and then be on our way. Little bit of background spice, loads of garlic, nicely seasoned, freshness of the parsley. See you next time. Come back and have a look at another recipe I'm doing. Let's run the outro.